Hello, how are you? My name is Eric. First of all, I wish you a happy new year 2024. In this video, I will guide you through how to create a PayPal donation button as an organization. Assuming you are an organization, you already have a virtual PayPal account like this one, which will enable you to send payments, receive payments from potential donors, and also withdraw. We have found out that a lot of organizations have missed out on donations from potential donors because they do not have a virtual PayPal account or a PayPal account. You find out you have a potential donor, well, you have alternative modes of payment, mobile money, bank, Western Union, MoneyGram, World Remit, but a donor is insisting on you having a virtual PayPal account or a PayPal account for you to be able to receive a payment. Simply, we do set up PayPal accounts for organization, big or small, and we do also set you up a PayPal donation button. But as of all, today I'm going to guide you through how you can create a PayPal donate button for your organization if you already have a virtual PayPal account. Keep in touch. Happy New Year. Well, if you already have a PayPal account like this one, if we try to refresh, it is a fully verified PayPal account. Let's try to sign in. If you already have a virtual PayPal account like this one, fully set and verified, where you can even withdraw payments from your PayPal account to your bank account or to your linked bank card. You can also see that it's a new account, but then any payment that is sent to your PayPal account goes to your PayPal balance, and you're also able to withdraw that money. How are you able to create a PayPal donation button? First of all, open another browser. Make sure you are logged into your PayPal account. Then click PayPal Donate button. You can see accept donations with a customizable button right on your website. Suggest donation amounts, and give royal supporters that chance to set up recurring donations. Well, it's a good feature. You just click on donate button. Then they will take you to a new page where you see start accepting donations with PayPal. Create a new donation page. You can create a link, a quick and easy fundraising option, and you can customize a button fundraise right from your website. And we'll go with this option, customize a button. They will take you to another step. Step 1 of 4, customize your button. Customize your button, you get a unique code to put on your website, plus a link and QR code to share far and wide. Edit your project name, optional. You can choose a name or use your organization name by your default. Your project name won't be seen by your donors. A project name, well, that is the project name. We are going to leave it as it is. We are not going to edit it. What do you want your button to look like? I use PayPal button style. Let's leave this as optional. Then let's just enable this, show accepted card logs, and then we proceed. Then they will take you to a second step where they are showing you your organization name, a display log. This is also optional. You can decide to put a log or not. You can decide to put a cover photo or not. And also you can decide to put a purpose. Maybe for the purpose, let's put donate to help. You can see any information that is put here, it is updated on your donation page, on the donation page view. Then let's scroll down and let's leave it. How do you want to display your donation button? We can leave full page experience as you can see it, or we can enable pop-up experience. This is how it looks like. Anyway, it is optional. You can choose what you like, but let's leave the full page experience. Then we proceed. The other option, they will take you where you choose the currency that you would like to use. Donors can donate in any currency. In applicable countries, it will then be converted to your preferred currency. Well, let's leave it in USD, but you can choose any other currency. And then how much do you want donors to give? It can be any amount, an exact amount, or set free amounts, optional plus any amount. If you try to see any amount, this is how it looks like. No amount is put. Someone can put any amount, then an exact amount where you can say, I want donors to donate from $100. Then whenever someone visits this page, they will find $100 as the initial donation payment. But then you can choose 10 or even $1, or we go back to any amount. Or you can set three payments. You can decide some can pay 50, some can pay 100, some can pay 200, and also leave the other whereby people can decide to put optional payments. You can see 50, 100, and 200. Well, we can go back and choose any amount, whatever someone feels like donating to your organization. Then choose recurring donation frequencies up to 2. It can be a weekly, monthly, and even some can decide to put recurring payments to yearly. But let's leave it optional as PayPal did. And then we click on continue. Set up your payment page. Let donors choose what to share with you and where they'll go after they have finished donating. We can decide to get the donor's mailing address. You can only use donor addresses in accordance with PayPal's privacy policy. Let donors send you an optional note when they are with their donation. This is by default, but we can decide to disable it or enable it. Someone can put a donation of $100, then they put a reason as to why they are donating, and then they proceed. If you have a website, then you can decide to put your website link. When someone donates, they redirect him back to your website. If you don't have one, by default, this was off. Then you can also add extra HTML button variables if you have maybe a website, but this out. Then we just click on publish. We have received a notification pop-up. Your donation page was created and is ready to share. Go to save the donation pages. This is our organization name. Share your donation page. The link that you can share, the QR code where someone just clicks on it. Someone scans the code, then they make a payment, or even a donation button that you integrate on your website. Share it on social media, blogs, emails, and anywhere your donors are. Get a link. Use it for events, in-person fundraising, and on-printed materials. They can scan and pay. Accept donations with a customizable button right on your website. This is the donation button. But then we just need a link. We just click on get a link. Shareable link. Share it on social media, blogs, in emails, and anywhere your donors are. Then we copy the link. When we paste the link in a new tab, you see how our link looks like. This is how our donation button we have created looks like. You can put or paste this link anywhere. Whenever someone clicks on it, they will just need to put in the amount they are sending. They can decide to put an additional fee so that they cover the fees and also send a payment. Thank you much for watching. For those interested in getting a virtual PayPal account, we do set the virtual PayPal accounts for organizations interested in receiving payments from international donors or potential donors, free TikTokers. Remember, TikTok pays, but at the end of the day, you need a PayPal account for you to be able to cash out money from your PayPal balance. We do set up the PayPal accounts for people who play games online and those engaging with different websites. At the end of the day, you are paid, but you need a PayPal account for you to be able to cash out. We set up the PayPal accounts for business purposes and personal purposes. Send money and also receive money from friends and also families. Keep in touch for those interested. You can reach out on our WhatsApp number 0707 688 655. For more information, still you can use that WhatsApp number. You ask a question, you'll be assisted through our support center.